at question number 10. Over here, it says that the total number of lucky stars in container A, B, C, D was 564. So that is the total. Agree? So A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 564. Am I making sense here? All right. Yep. So you don't have to do much. Just write down first. Understand what I'm saying? Okay. Until you believe that it is important to write down. Oh my goodness. Hard questions, you always find it hard. Okay. All right. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Break it up. Understand or not? Don't bear the full burden. This is too heavy for you. Understand? After I doubled the number of lucky stars in container A, so what did he do? He times 2 to A, right? Okay. Okay, so maybe you can write down over here. All right. So what happens is he doubled. So you times 2 to this. And then after what happens? Took out half. So what do? You take out half. So basically it's divided by 2. Agree so far? Added 56. So plus 56. You all understand so far? And took out 68 minus 68. What happens? So when I minus 68, all right, what happens? Can see from here? The number of lucky stars in container A to B to C to D is, so there is a before and after idea. Agree so far? So very good. If you drew a table, you should be able to see it pretty clearly. Okay, listen up very carefully. This is recorded. So yeah, y'all can go and watch it. I need y'all to do this question again, okay? A, B, C, D. Are y'all understanding so far? Are y'all understanding so far? A, B, C, D. Okay, can see? All right, we don't know what is before, but we know that the before is 564. Make sense? Okay, we know what is change, and we know what is after. Correct? Okay, very simple. 1, am I right to say that? 2, am I right? 3, am I right? 4. Understand so far?
Yeah.
Very good. Units. Understand what I'm saying? You must put units. This is before and after in ratio. Understand? Okay, so you won't see in fraction. Agree so far?
Okay.
Now, this is my after. Agree or disagree? Agree, Then, now, look at this, What did I say? Let's do from D first, okay? Minus?
So
68. Wait, minus 68, correct?
so 4 units plus 15.
Thank you. How many of you agree that this is 4 units plus 68? Agree or disagree? Work backwards. Understand or don't understand? Okay, done, D done? Done. Okay, next one, C. Plus 56. Work backwards. Minus 56. How many of you don't understand why is it minus 56? Can? Yeah, you do opposite. Understand what I'm saying? Right? You think about it. Minus 56 plus 56, isn't that equals to 0? Right? Right? Then that's the reason why I have 3 units only. Correct? Okay. Now, B is what? Divided by 2, correct? Okay. So over here, you can write down divided by 2, correct?
Yeah, so
Okay.
4.
So you times 4. So that's times 2. That's why it's 4 unit, correct?
Yeah.
Because you see, 4 unit, when I divide by 2, when I give half, you all know it's half, right? It becomes 2. Agree so far?
Yeah.
Agree? Then this one you times 2, right? So it becomes 1. Correct or not? So what is this? Yeah, 0.5. Understand so far? 0.5 units. Understand? Or some of you say half a unit. Sure. Half a unit times 2, isn't that equals to 1? Agree so far? All right. What does it show you then? Look at this. What is the equation? You see, once I see I have the total, right? Isn't it true to say that this half a unit plus 4 unit plus 3 unit minus 56 plus 4 unit minus 68 equals to 564? All right. Half a unit. How many of you don't understand? How many of you don't understand? Okay, half a unit plus 4 unit plus 3 units minus 56 plus 4 unit plus 68. Guys, what is the strategy here? Write down step by step. How many times must I say to convince you? Are you all convinced?
Yeah.
Now, same family, sit together. Units and units together first. Can please? Look at all of the units. I'm going to highlight all of the units in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? What is it? Half plus, okay, 4 plus 3 first, can? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12.5 units. Understand so far? One by one, Look at this, The ones in green, basically, they are in numbers, right? Minus 56 and plus 68. What happens? What is that? So minus 56 plus 68, that gives you, it is the same as 68 minus 56.
Okay.
Agree?
I think I made it.
Right? So that gives me how much? Plus 12. You understand so far?
How do you get 12? No, it's 11.5.
11? Why 11?
No, because it's
Oh, yeah, it's half a unit, right? Okay, sorry, 11.5 units, correct?
Yeah.
Right, 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus, they are asking for the units, 11.5 units. I apologize. Can you all know how I got 12? Any of you don't understand?
the line.
Yeah. Can you all see? Can follow the green and the green? Can see the green and the green? Equals to what? 564. Understand so far? Guys, I asked you a question. You all know how I got the 12 or not first? You see,
Yes.
minus 56 plus 68. Isn't it also 68 minus 56? True?
Yes, yes.
Understand so far? Therefore, your answer has to be 12. Understand or not? Okay. You can use your calculator. Okay. 11.5 units is equals to what happens? Now, when I bring something over 564, I have to bring 12 over. Agree? Minus 12. Am I making sense here? Because it's positive 12 over here, correct? Once I bring over the equal sign, it's minus 12. Okay, 11.5 units equals to 564 minus 12. That gives me 552. All right, 552. Then we find Mr. Greenman, which is 1 unit. Agree or disagree? 552 divided by 11.5, that gives you 552 divided by 11.5. That gives you how much? 1 unit is equals to 48. How many of you understand? Don't write first, listen first, okay? Mr. Greenman is out. Read the question. There is a step-by-step strategy. There's a strategy one. You get me now? Don't rush into reading all the way until the last sentences. Understand? How many lucky stars were there in the 4 containers in the end? Look at what?
10.
Thank you. Look at after. You understand what I'm saying or not? 1, 3, 6, 10. What 1, 3, 6, 10? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4?
10.
So 10 units is equals to 480. Am I making sense here? All right, and that's it for this question.